All right, so here we are, Q2 2025. What an amazing year this has been when we look back and think about the markets and what's been going on. Like if you would have been gone January 1st and showed up on June 15th and you looked at your account statement, you'd be pretty happy. Like overall, year to date, the S&P is up over 2%. However, it's been really volatile in how we've gotten there with everything that's going on with the tariffs and the government shutdown and the big beautiful bill and all the noise that's out there. It's pretty amazing on what's been happening. But let's just talk about the market. Now that summer is here officially in Minnesota and we'll be on the lake soon. The S&P, like I mentioned, is up about 2% year to date. What's really been interesting is international stocks. They've underperformed in the last 5 to 7 years. This year, they're up 16%. Does that trend stay? Does it not stay? We still think being in US is the best place to be long term, but obviously diversification is key. So EFA index or international up 16. You got bonds up about 2%, so they're behaving like they're supposed to. When I really look at you as an investor, what you should be paying attention to, and there's three main topics. Number one is freedom. You want to make sure that you align your investments with purpose. We want to make sure that we have a conversation with you about what's really important to you, and then we're putting those investments to work for you. And so, we don't need markets to soar to live a purposeful life. We need to make sure that we're focused on what those goals are for you. So that's number one. Number two is direction, like staying on track with your plan. A plan's put in place for you based upon your circumstances and what you want to achieve. And so at iWealth, we really believe as advisors and as a team that our job is to help you track to that plan. The numbers, there's a dashboard, but it's really your GPS. What is your guiding light that you're looking forward to moving ahead to? And we're really going to help you with that direction. And then lastly, number three is confidence. Do you have confidence in your long-term thinking? And what I mean is short-term thinking can get us making stupid decisions. We can get out of markets when we shouldn't get out of markets. There were people that contemplated that when the tariffs were hit. However, like I said, if you would have just been blind and weren't able to hear over the last 6 months and you woke up and your account's up 2 to 10%, you'd be pretty happy. And so sometimes it's okay to think long term and not think short term. And you just need to be confident that your plan is built for all seasons, that you put together the right plan. And so have you been in for a client review lately? Have you been in to recheck that GPS or those numbers? As advisors, we're here to help, and as a team, we're here to help you take care of those things. So make sure that you have your confidence going forward, that you have your freedoms, aligning your investments with your purpose, that you have your direction, staying on top and with the plan. And then number three, the confidence. Think long term, things will be fine. It's amazing how fast this year is going. I hope you're getting time with your friends and family, and make sure that that purpose counts. So have a great day. We're here to take care of you if you need anything. Take care.